You gotta do your homework. You have a post to do tomorrow.
Okay, so basically my mic broke. I'm in my closet with my computer that's like really loud, and it's 3 a.m. It's bad mic quality, heads up on that. Okay, so what is the golden ratio? The golden ratio can be seen everywhere, all the way from a snail shell to the shape of a galaxy. Okay, so what is it? Well, the golden ratio is a 1.618, rounded to the nearest thousand. It's an irrational number, therefore I'm rounding it to save my brain from exploding. In Greek, the golden ratio is called phi, which is the 21st Greek letter. I memorized all of them, so I know. No one knows who discovered phi, since it was dated all the way back to when the pyramids were made. They both used phi and pi to make the pyramids. That's fun to say. Phi pi. Anyway, you can't talk about the golden ratio without talking about Leonardo Fibonacci, Fabrice. But that's another story and another project. So I'm gonna stick with my main man, Leonardo da Vinci. Yup, the very one who looks like Dumbledore. So basically, in this time, there was a question going around. How can you make a square's area have the same area of a given circle? Well, of course, that's impossible, since you need to use pi to find out the area of a circle, and pi is an irrational number. Well, the great Dumbledore, I mean Da Vinci, had a unique idea. He drew a man in the middle, T-posing and stretching his arms so they now touched opposite sides of the square. He then made a circle and drew the man from the same center point, stretching his arms and legs even more so they touched the ends of the circle. You've probably seen this drawing somewhere. It's called a Vitruvian man. So basically the man in the drawing has the perfect golden ratio proportions for his body parts. So today I'm gonna measure different parts of my body. Oh my gosh, that sounds weird. Okay, in the directions,
it says that I need to measure one part of my body to another part and make it a ratio to another measurement I did from one part of my body to the other. That's the shadiest thing I've ever said.
Okay, let's do this.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore.
Okay, essentially I was going to make this cooler, but it was just 25 minutes of me just messing around with measuring tape. Top of head to mid-neck to navel is 1.636 through repeating. Okay, yeah, that's okay. Relatively okay compared to my other data. Top of head to navel to navel to floor, which was 1.53571. Knee to floor to knee to navel, which is 1.04. Bottom of nose to mid-mouth to bottom of nose to mid-eyes, and it was 1.75. Mid-eyes to bottom of nose to bottom of nose to bottom of chin, which was 1.142. End joint of any finger to mid joint of same finger is 1.666. Middle of joint finger to base of same finger, exactly 1.6. I nailed that. In conclusion, everything else is messed up and my hands are perfect. Let's go.